Apart from the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus, there is also a third phone that Samsung is launching on February 20. And no, this is not the foldable smartphone, the one I talked about in my previous video. In fact, it is a light version of the Galaxy S10 with the name Samsung Galaxy S10E. The official press renders of the Galaxy S10E are now out, which reveal the design from every angle. Now you might think, why Samsung is launching the Galaxy S10E along with the S10 and S10 Plus? Well, I cannot say if this is the actual reason, but maybe this phone is Samsung's reply to Apple's iPhone XR, which was the so-called budget iPhone of last year. Talking about the design of Galaxy S10e, the phone has an Infinity O display, and this is just a different name given by Samsung to the whole punch screen. The Samsung Galaxy S10 also has the same Infinity O screen, but the difference between the two is that the Galaxy S10e has a flat display, whereas the Galaxy S10 has a dual curved display. It has a 5.8-inch display and there is a small bottom chin as well. Apart from this, there are now dual cameras on the back instead of triple cameras that we will see on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The fingerprint scanner is nowhere to be found on the rear, but this doesn't mean that the Galaxy S10e has an in-display fingerprint scanner like the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. In fact, it has one on the right side which also works as a power button. Just like the iPhone XR, the Samsung Galaxy S10e is launching in a few interesting color options like green, yellow, blue, etc. Now, Apple launched the iPhone XR with the same processor as the iPhone XS and XS Max. So maybe Samsung will do the same with the Galaxy S10e. That is, the phone might launch with the Exynos 9820 or Snapdragon 855 just like the S10 and S10 Plus. Now the Samsung Galaxy S10e is coming in a single storage option, that is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It also has the smallest battery among the three phones in the Galaxy S10 lineup, as it has a 3100 mAh battery underneath. The price for the European market is €749, but the phone is definitely not coming at the same price to other markets. So yeah, that was all about the design of Samsung Galaxy S10e and some extra things that we know about it so far. What do you think the E stands for in the name? Do let me know in the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.